Hello guys, so welcome to another class, and in this class we're going to be talking about the different types of indicators we have in the market. And for this I'm going to go to the live chat. But before we go to the live chat, please don't forget, I'm still going to drop the link to register on One Royal, so you can use One Royal as your official trading broker. One Royal offers the best customer care service and has won numerous awards for being the best customer service broker in the world. So you know this is a world-class broker based in United Arab Emirates, and they offer incredible trading services including AI trading services, newsletters. They offer copy trading services. So if you want to copy my trades here in Trade Circuit, you can only do this through One Royal. So if you want to copy my trade, you need to have an account with One Royal. You can be able to take all the trades I'm taking and get the exact same profits I'm making on my own account. So once again, the link is going to be in the description. Register on One Royal and get 100% deposit bonus as you register for your first deposit. So going back into the chart, we can see all our previous explanations that we've been doing on the chart here, and how we were able to explain one or two things from our previous classes. This is all the explanation of stop orders and the likes that we did explanation for. So today we're going to be talking about indicators and the various types of indicators that are available for traders in the market. Now, for this example, we are going to be using, so basically we have 4 types of indicator, but I'm going to give you them one after the other, and I'm going to explain them for you here in the market. Now, the first type of indicator we have. Now, for you to check indicators, for you to put an indicator on your chart, you see this button up here, this bar up here. Yes, up here. That's how you get to access indicator on your chart. So for you to access indicator, the first type of indicator we have is the trend indicator. The trend indicator is used to tell you the trend of the market. Either the market is trending upward or the market is trending downward. And for the trend indicator, we have different types of trend indicator. We have MACD indicator. You can pick any of the MACD indicator, but for this MACD indicator, we're going to pick, for MACD, we're going to be using moving average convergence divergence, because that's the full meaning of MACD. MACD, once we click on it, the indicator appears on our chart. So you can see the indicator down here on our chart. So this is the MACD indicator, and you can see it very clearly, showing both the MACD movement and the EMA movement of the MACD. So for other types of trend indicator, we also have parabolic SAR. See, parabolic SAR. We also have moving averages. So for moving averages, we have both simple moving averages and weighted moving average. That is simple moving average and exponential moving average. So for this example, we're going to be using simple moving average for this example. So once you click on it, it's going to appear on your chart. So you can see the simple moving average in a blue light. For the settings, if you want to go here, click on settings, then on length, you want to set it to whatever length you want it, and whenever you set it to whatever length, it's going to appear on, you can see it changing here, it's shifting to a different style. Then you can always change the color, you can always change the opacity or the width of the of the moving average line. Now you can see your moving average here. It's showing you when it's in a bullish trend, the market has crossed the moving average for the 200 moving average, and it's in a bullish trend, and we can buy at the tip of the moving average. And you can see if it's in a bearish trend, the market crosses down and we sell. So this can easily tell us the trend movement of the market. Whenever it's going up, it's in a bullish trend. Whenever the price is below it, it's in a bearish trend. Then the next indicator on our list is momentum indicator. And for momentum indicator is used to know when the market is overbought or oversold. You see this MACD and 200 moving average. I'm going to use it to teach you a particular trading strategy. So when you watch to the end of the course, you're going to learn a particular trading strategy using 200 moving average and MACD, and you're going to get over 60% win rate with that strategy. For momentum indicator tells us if the market is overbought or oversold. And examples of momentum indicator are RSI, or another example is stochastic indicator. Another example is CCI indicator, but for this we are going to use stochastic indicator. You can see stochastic. We also have stochastic and RSI mixed together, and there are also some fancy indicator that you might want to use in your trading. Now for the stochastic indicator, when the market, look here, over here, when the market is in above 80, it simply means that the market is overbought. When the market is below 20, it simply means that the market is oversold. So you can easily be able to tell if the market is overbought. Like for example, this area, you can see the market is overbought here, and when the market sold all the way down here, the market is in oversold level. See also here, overbought and oversold level. And there are some other things like divergence you can learn when I'm also going to be teaching you divergence here in this course, or in the course of this intermediate class. You can use stochastic indicator or momentum indicator like RSI, CCI, and stochastic indicator to get the divergence and know when the market is about to change from a bullish to a bearish structure based on overbought and oversold level. Then we also have volume indicator. For volume indicator tells us if there is high presence of participants in the market, high volume or low volume in the market, or high presence of participants in the market or low presence of participants in the market. And for volume indicator, we have money flow index, and we have simple volume indicator. So we have simple volume indicator and we have money flow index. Then we also have volatility indicator. Let me show you a simple example of volume indicator, money flow index. So with money flow index, we can easily see the presence of markets in terms of high. Okay, it's not showing on this on forex.com broker, but for brokers like Oanda, it's going to show. So you should use Oanda in your trading. When I'm teaching you trading example, I'm going to go back to Oanda and I'm going to show you how I use Oanda broker. So when you search here and you search the pair Euro USD, for example, you want to go to Oanda, look at Oanda, the next one here, Oanda, and click on Oanda and use Oanda as your charting tool. Then the final and last type of indicator we have is volatility indicator. And volatility indicator shows you the increase or decrease or in high rate or high movement in the market. When there is a high or fast movement in the market, volatility indicator will tell you. And for types of volatility indicator, we have Bollinger Band. You can see Bollinger Band here. This is Bollinger Band, normal Bollinger Band. Then we also have envelope indicator. So you can see the envelope indicator. For this example, let's use Bollinger Band. Let's use Bollinger Band. So once we click on Bollinger Band, it's going to appear on our chart. So we clicked on it, that's appeared on our chart. And you can see the way the Bollinger Band indicator looks like. So when there is high presence of volatility in the market, you can see the Bollinger Band expanding, and where there is low presence of movement in the market, you can see the Bollinger Band contracting. So that is how we use volatility indicator. You can see here the Bollinger Band was contracted, but in this area the Bollinger Band expanded, contraction, expansion, contraction all the way here, while expecting an expansion somewhere in the future. But Bollinger Band is used to tell you where volatility, high presence of market movement is coming in the market. So that's that for the four major types of indicators we have. Now once again, let's do a recap. We have trend indicator, number one. Number two, momentum indicator. Number three, we have volume indicator. And number four, we have volatility indicator. Now types of trend indicator, we have MACD, we have parabolic SAR, and we have moving averages. Types of momentum indicators, we have RSI, we have stochastic indicator, and we have CCI. Then types of volume indicator, we have money flow index, and we have normal volume. Then types of volatility indicator, we have Bollinger Band and we have envelope. So that's all for this class, guys. Have a nice day.